Hi guys, Retro Jingo here. It's late in Denmark. I'm gonna start a new game in Civilization and see if I can play and build an empire for the test of the time. It's fun playing newer version. This is Civilization 5, but this makes me think about back in 93. I was a little kid and I played Civilization 1 on my Amiga 600 with 2 MB chip RAM and nothing else. Floppy disk swapping. Oh man, I didn't have a numeric keyboard, so I should press the right mouse button and to move the settlers and all. I mean, wow man. 30 years have passed and I still love Civilization. I wish you all a great day. Bye.